When choosing a payment solution for your business, Melio and Bill.com are two popular options, each catering to different needs. Both platforms aim to simplify payments, but their features and pricing structures make them better suited for specific use cases. Melio is designed with small businesses in mind, offering a simple, user-friendly platform for sending and receiving payments. It stands out for its no-fee bank transfers and low transaction fees for credit card payments. Melio also provides flexible payment options, such as same-day or scheduled payments, and integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks. However, it lacks some advanced features like automated workflows and multi-user approval processes, which may limit its appeal for larger businesses. On the other hand, Bill.com is tailored for medium to larger businesses seeking more robust functionality. It offers automated bill payments, invoice management, and approval workflows, making it ideal for businesses with complex accounting needs. Bill.com also integrates seamlessly with multiple accounting platforms and offers a digital document repository for record keeping. However, its pricing is higher than Melio's, and smaller businesses may find it unnecessarily complex or expensive for their needs. In a nutshell, Melio is perfect for small businesses looking for simplicity and affordability, while Bill.com is better suited for larger businesses needing automation and advanced tools. Choose based on your business size, budget, and required features. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.